So when you click on OK, it will bring for you something like this. That do you wish to create a new rig operation? You click on yes. So you can go ahead to put in all this information. You put in the contractor number, you put in the type, it's a day rate, effective date and the due date. You put in the amount of money you're charging for the rig. You have the rig pickup date, all this information. So you basically need to put in all this information. Maybe the contract rate is worth 500,000. Maximum days of a contract, you put them the air gap in feet, and then we have the drill days. So put in all these details, and after that you click on apply. For now I'm going to skip them, but you can always do it. So we have our schematic of the rig here. These are our mud pits, this is the boiler, these are the mud pumps, these are the shakers, and we have the hydroclones. This is our derrick. So this is the sample of our rig that we have somewhere. So this information, this is like the basic, but you have put in the information of the pumps, the information of the boiler. If you see, you will see the word none, motors none, pits none, all that. So how do we do this? So I click on properties and then come and put in information here, one by one, by clicking, so we can put in the information. So remember, we click here up here, and we can put in the information. You put in the name, and then we put in how much can it take in. Maybe it's taking in up to 2,000 barrels per day. Put in the owner, you select the type, and then you click on the dead volume. Maybe you have a dead volume of up to 100 barrels. So you can apply. Okay, the pit description cannot be empty. We can call it the active pit. Active pit. So you can apply, and then okay. So you need to go through all of these ones, putting in the information of each one of them. So you see, like here I put in the active pit. So you have to go through the degasser, put in the details of the degasser, centrifuge. We have the BOP, which is down here. So, or you can go direct to rig properties, so that you can, this is what we put in area. So I'm going to click on OK and go to rig operations. So these rig operations also, you have to put in all the details. You know, we have the associated wells and all that. So I'm going to leave the rig operations for now, and we shall proceed. So we are done making our rig. We need to view it in 3D. That is what we are going to do next. So we click here on close. After putting in all that information, so we are going to go to the next step in the next video. Still me, Kiza Thomas, your host for this training.